If you love me.
Kyle is going to kill a bird with a spear.
I knew it wasn't gonna happen.
Ah.
I knew it. No matter what happens, it wasn't gonna happen.
I will throw.
No, you got it. That's over $5. $5. You lost the bet. You didn't do it. No, it's not. The bet's still. All the bets off. The bet's off.
Best off. Hey, so you should totally just kill the bird.
What's gonna happen?
Dude, I'm wasting a lot of battery here. You should totally kill the bird.
Spear the bird right now.
Spear the bird, yeah. Ready? You are in my way.
Oh, that's really nice, Steve.
Really? Okay, this video is going on like a minute.
Exposable.
This video is going on like a minute.
No video.
Does this stand on top of the cords?
You need some assistance?
Okay.
Okay.
Kyle. Oh, is he gonna do it? He's gonna. There's a bird right there.
Nothing interesting is gonna happen. Yeah.
Kyle, no.